Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a fall or winter shirt haul for you and a try on. Today we have a lot of Shein Loon items to show you and one Shein Frenchie item. Let's get started. But first I'm just going to open up everything and get organized a bit. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. I know this part of the video where I open the packages probably isn't the most exciting thing, but I really like to show what the items look like when I first take them out of the package. First up, this is a hooded color block sweatshirt from Shein Loon. Based on the product measurements, I went with a size large. It looks cute and well made. I really love the mint green color. I work from home mostly. I work in tech, so hoodies are a go-to item for me when I work from home. Next, we have another long sleeve top from Shein Loon. This one is also color blocked. It's coral pink and gray. Based on the product measurements, I went with a size large. Initial impression is that the material is quite thin, even for a t-shirt. It's paper thin. Would need to layer this one. It has some buttons up around the collar area. The buttons look heavy, and it will be interesting to see what it looks like when I wear it, given that the buttons are very heavy and this shirt is a very thin and light material. Next, we have a lavender colored space dye long sleeve shirt from Shein Loon. This one is a size large. Initial impression is that I like the style of the shirt, the color of the shirt. The material seems to be soft, but it seems to be thin. This one would have to be layered too. Now we have another Shein Loon sweatshirt purchased in a size medium. This one is color blocked as well. I love the button accents on this shirt, and overall impression is that it looks well made, not too thin like the previous two. This is a hooded sweater from Shein Frenchie. The material looks warm and cozy. Based on the product measurements, I went with a size medium. Out of all of the tops that I've opened, I think this one is my favorite. This is another long sleeve shirt from Shein Loon with some striped details on the sleeves, purchased in a size large. As you can see, some of the items I bought are a size medium and some are a large. I find the product measurements on the product page to be really helpful when choosing what size to buy. As you can see, even from the same brand, I've purchased shirts in different sizes. I really love the striped detailing, gives it a sporty look. I think this one needs to be layered as well as it seems thin. Okay, I'm a little surprised to not see Shein on the bag, but this is another color block long sleeve shirt from Shein Loon. The bottom is kind of asymmetrical with some button details. It's thin, but not as thin as some of the others that we observed today. I would consider layering it though. Okay, so here's the brown sweater that we looked at earlier. As you can see, it's nice and thick and it's not see-through at all. The material is very warm and soft. And let me back up and show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on the back. It's got a hoodie. So this is the purple pink Henley top that we opened earlier. It is a little bit thin, as you can see here, so I have layered it with a camisole underneath. However, I did notice something a little bit disappointing with the shirt. So you may notice that I put like a pin here. So these are just like little pins that I bought on Amazon, and I use them on shirts when they're not like conservative enough for me. So right here, like you can see that, you know, this is open. Like these aren't real buttons. So down here, these are real buttons, but up here, there's like nothing. So it's a little bit awkward. So I hope that I can find a way to fix it. But anyway, let me show you what it looks like. You back up. It's actually a pretty cute shirt otherwise, so I'm really, really sad to see that detail. This is what it looks like from behind. And this is one of the black Henleys that we looked at. As you can see, this one is pretty thin as well, so I have also layered it with a camisole. Let me show you what it looks like. I think it's pretty cute. That's what it looks like behind. Next up, we have the green and black hoodie. I really like this one. It's not really too thin, but I still have it layered with a camisole. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like from behind. Okay, next up we have the pink and gray shirt with the button detail. And as you can see, one of the issues that's happening with this shirt is instead of like, you know, this part of the collar standing up, it looks like the material is so thin that it's pulling it down and it's kind of like flopping over. You know, I like it. It's a cute shirt, but I'm a little disappointed and I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like from behind. And here we have the black and white sweater with button details and stripes. This one is pretty thick, as you can see. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like in the back. Yeah, this one's not too bad. And here we have, okay, now we have this gray and black asymmetrical shirt. It's not thin. I would say it's about average. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. That's what it looks like in the back.
Thank you all for joining. I loved having you. I hope today's content was useful. The links to all the items are included in the description if you want to check those out. If you are interested in watching more content, please give a like and subscribe. See you all next time.